Hello students, continuing with the same topic, issue of debentures as collateral security. Till now I explained you the treatment of this topic, that is issue of debentures as collateral security through journal entries, okay, under two methods, first and the second method. These journal entries I explained you. Now I am showing you as well as explaining you the treatment of the same topic, issue of debentures as collateral security in the balance sheet. Okay, I am taking help of one illustration on page number 8.21, illustration 20. With the help of this question, I will explain you the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security through journal entries as well as balance sheet. Right. A company had rupees 10 lakh 12% debentures outstanding as on 1st April 2017. Okay. Already there was a liability outstanding, that is 12% debentures worth rupees 10 lakh in the beginning of the year. During the year, company took a loan of rupees 2 lakh from SBI, State Bank of India. Okay. One more additional liability is there. ठीक है, being taken by the company, borrowed by the company from SBI by way of bank loan worth rupees 2 lakh, which the company placed with the bank debentures for rupees 2,50,000 as collateral security. Already I told you, under first method, we need not to show the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security. We only need to show the treatment of loan being taken by the company or the applicant. So here the loan which was taken by the company was of rupees 2 lakh. Okay. And one more liability was already outstanding worth rupees 10 lakh by the name of 12% debentures. These two liabilities are to be shown in the balance sheet. 10 lakh, 12% debentures and bank loan under first method. Okay? Because under first method we need not to show the debentures issued as collateral security. So see the treatment. See here the working note or notes to account is given to you. Long-term borrowing, 12% debentures worth rupees 10 lakh was already outstanding in the beginning of the year, April 1st 2017. Okay, worth rupees 10 lakh. Here in the bracket, it is shown that additional debentures were issued worth rupees 2,50,000 as collateral security for the bank loan of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, bank loan of rupees 2 lakh, and for taking bank loan, for borrowing bank loan, collateral securities worth rupees 2,50,000 by way of debentures was pledged. Okay, so at the end of the year, there was a liability of 12 lakh, but in the beginning of the year the liability was of rupees 10 lakh only. Additional liability by way of bank loan was created. Okay, so the same will be shown here. Previous year the liability was of rupees 10 lakh plus 2 lakh bank loan, so 12 lakh will be the liability outstanding as on 31st March 2018. Okay, right. And the journal entry to be passed is bank account debit to bank loan for taking or borrowing loan from the bank. ठीक है, there is no need to pass the journal entry for keeping debentures as collateral security with the bank. Okay, under first method. And in the second method we need to show the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security also. So in addition to the very first entry, bank account debit to bank loan, we need to pass one more entry for pledging or keeping debentures as collateral security with the bank, and that entry will be debenture suspense account debit to X% debentures account. X% in place of X%, we need to write the coupon rate of the debentures issued. The coupon rate or the interest rate of the debentures issued was 12%. Okay, right. The same will be written here, 12%. This is known as the coupon rate. Already I have told you. Okay, right. Now let us see the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security under second method. See here, in the previous year we were having the debentures of rupees 10 lakh, and we need to show the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security, and debentures issued as collateral security was of rupees 2,50,000. ठीक है, placed with the bank debentures for rupees 2,50,000. Now the total value of the debentures will be 10 lakh plus 2,50,000, 12,50,000, 12,50,000. And this increment of 2,50,000 will be a suspense for a company, because 2,50,000 rupees debentures were not issued. And if they were not issued to the investors, then how we can get 2,50,000 rupees? We can get only 2,50,000 rupees when the debentures worth rupees 2,50,000 are issued or sold to the investors. These are only issued as collateral security they are pledged or say mortgaged. No amount can be received by the company when the debentures are issued as collateral security or they are mortgaged. Because of this suspense, the amount of rupees 2,50,000 is to be deducted from the total value of debentures to 12,50,000 rupees. Because till now we haven't received any amount by selling 2,50,000 rupees debentures. The amount so got will be 10 lakh rupees. In the long term borrowing, we need to show the bank loan. Already we have shown the treatment of bank loan in the first case also, in the first method also. And the amount of loan taken from the bank was of rupees 2 lakh. Total will be 12 lakh. So at the end of the year, the total of long term borrowing was of rupees 12 lakh. But in the beginning of the year, already we have discussed in the first method, in the beginning of the year there was long term borrowing of rupees 10 lakh only. Okay, in the beginning of the year long term borrowing was of rupees 10 lakh. See the date, 31st March 2017. And at the end of the year, because of the bank loan borrowed from SBI, there will be an addition of 2 lakh and the total of long term borrowing will be 12 lakh. Okay, right? So this was the treatment of debentures issued as collateral security by way of journal entry and balance sheet. Okay, right? On the basis of this example illustration, try to solve next illustration or question, and if any query, your queries are welcome. Get the solution of the queries. No problem will be kept unsolved. Each and every problem will be solved. Okay.